Hey everybody, this is the blizzard from 2011. I'm outside braving the snow in front of our house. Trying to put my glove back on. This is in front of our yard. Got snow drifts pretty much everywhere. You can kind of see it here in front of the cars. This is insane. This is pretty much up to my knees right now. This is crazy. There's my dad out braving the weather with his camera. I'm videoing you. You can see the cars. I think our neighbor's going to be nice and snow blow our driveway for us. Thank the Lord. Going around, you can kind of see the park down at the end of the street. This is the neighbor's yard. This is the side of the house. Pretty much walking in snow up to my knees. This is crazy. Hasn't been this bad for a long time. There's a view of the kind of the backyard. The sky's all nice and blue this morning, but I should have videoed it yesterday when the blizzard was actually happening. There you go. Here it is, February 2nd, 2011. Enjoy your snow day.